Okay, we're out at the Murray River, out here with some of the patrons, and we're hungry. So I'm gonna make some jalapeno poppers. So what you're gonna need is some jalapenos. That's how it's spelled, that's how I'm gonna say it from now on. So I've got 8 jalapenos. I'm gonna cut them in half, so it's gonna make 16 of them. Mixing bowl. Bacon, about that much. Worked out to be approximately a handful. But because it's bacon, you can put in as much as you want or don't want. Now, this is probably one of the key ingredients, some cream cheese. I got the light stuff because health. And there is 250 grams in that. So I probably want to use about 200 grams in this. So remember, I'm going to end up with 16 of these jalapeno poppers. So it depends on how many jalapenos you have as to how much of the filling you make.
Yeah, I was sort of thinking the same thing. We might need a bit of a wash. I think I need another 6 pack before I...
And then some regular old cheese. I'm using tasty cheese. So something with a bit of bite might be quite nice. And about half the amount of cream cheese that you just used. Cool. Onion as well. Not too much of this. And dice it up nice and fine. Because you won't be cooking these for too long, you want your onion to cook reasonably easy, not leave too much of that pungent onion taste. So I've added about the same amount of onion as I did bacon, and then 2 teaspoons of garlic. Yep, now smash it all together until it becomes one with everything. Little sprinkle of pepper. And pink Himalayan salt. So I've already done it for the other 15. Here's the 16th half of the jalapeno. And you've got to take the middle out because obviously you can't stuff the thing if it's full of seeds and the little membrane bit in the middle. So just been doing that. Try not to cut your fingers off. The unfortunate bit is that by removing the seeds and the center, you lose a bit of your heat. So I'm going to replace that heat in some of them. Some of the people here can't handle heat so well. So I'll do half hot and half not so hot. Right. Here we go with the filling. Problem here is we can't have fires, it's summer, so you're going to need a camp oven with a lid, put coals on it, get the heat from the top to like melt the ingredients and get it cooking from all angles. Because we don't have that, we're using the hooded barbecue. So I'll light that up and get it to about a medium heat. Let that preheat while I add a bit of chili sauce for the extra hot jalapenos. Now you've actually seen this on videos before, Wanz's Wicked Temptation. Just a tiny splash, not too much. Oh, yep, that'll do.
Hey look, honestly, this guy's almost like a lion. Yeah, you got it. Oh, just comes the side. It's awesome.
Yep, she's smoking. Time to put some poppers in there. I've separated my hot ones from my not so hot ones. I'm going to put the hot ones on this side of the grill. Now we know we want to do them until just the bottom of the jalapenos are nicely grilled and the cheese goes all melty and golden. I don't know how long that's going to take, so 6:07 p.m. I'll let you know how long it took. See
how far he goes behind you?
Jalapeno popper.
Nope.
Hot and spicy. He's gone into severity mode. Does it taste any good?
Yeah, it tastes beautiful. And it's perfectly spicy, like, it's beautiful.
Okay, so Taylor was just whinging.
But, heat-wise, like, it's a bit hot.
Yeah.
But, oh man. So flavoursome though. It would almost be a pizza, but it doesn't have pineapple.
Now, this is stupid hot, and this is just jalapeno.
I'll go the stupid hot one.
Yeah, good on you.
It's not bad.
Bit of sauce? Tiny bit, yeah, a few drops.
Oh god, a few drops. It's gonna be hot. Gonna be
I like hot food.
Yeah, good. Okay.
Go for it.
Oh, please don't. I want to eat that one.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's good. Alright, let's give this a go.
You give that a go. Who's having the not so spicy one? You having that, Kip?
Me? No. I'll go
You
the
can feel the
spicy
heat
one.
like straight away.
You having? Yep.
Oh!
I do not like spicy food, so I better go the
Are you
spicy
tricking
one.
us?
Nah. So no, they're spicy. Those ones are spicy
hot.
and the not spicy. That's all.
Don't rub your eyes.
I just say, I don't deal with
I can
these.
feel it like on my
What is
lips.
This one's actually
I regret everything already. It's
Well, like, the cream cheese sort of like balances it out.
He's finding it. Did you lick it?
I just licked the sauce, let alone.
Sauce is nasty.
Wow. That's got some kick. Oh, I need my drink.
Yeah, you do. I better go my own creation.
okay.
Mild capsicum flavour on the bottom.
Yep.
Cream cheese really coming through. Hot, just hot on the sides of my tongue. Haven't hit the blob of hot sauce yet.
A bit of Wanzas.
Don't get on your lips.
Bit of Wanza. Yeah, Wanza's got me.
Right now is just on my lips right now.
Wanza's flogged me. She's done it again.
Oh.
Oh.
How you going, Kip?
I'm gonna go hide.
Oh, this is gonna suck.
Oh, you don't do spicy at all, do you?
Doing it now.
You're like, oh, it's really hot, and you like taste it, like, oh, it's good.
Even they're spicy.
Actually, the rest of that cheese is probably good for a dip.
I got a bad one then. Or a good one.
I felt the need to hydrate.
I also don't do chili, so wish me luck.
Yeah, I think that hot sauce.
I don't either, but
For reals.
I've grown a bit of an immunity to the Wanza over the years.
Well, we better put some more on there, eh?
Your one?
Yeah, that was a normal one. Go on, load it up. Beer man.
Oh.
Damn, here we go.
Mmm.
Crazy.
Smeared.
Just snort it.
Yeah. No.
no.
I've ascended. I'm beyond Wanza's temptation.
I do love a bit of cheam crease.
Team Crease.
Jalapeno poppers. Do it. Do it. Extra hot sauce. Mint. Kip loves it.